The next page I want to build is the projects page. Now, you will remember when I created a new page for the about page, the first thing I had to do is to go here and copy the same page wrapper so that we can have the same structure on all of our pages. And if I'm going to do this right now for the projects page, I'm going to have to copy and paste again. Now, every time I find myself going back and forth from pages and copying and pasting, I know that there's likely a better way to do this. And the way to do this in Webflow is to create basically a page template that always has this structure. So every new page that I'm going to create is going to have this structure. So let's see how we're going to do that. First of all, I'm going to, in the homepage, I'm going to select the page wrapper and I'm going to hit Command C to copy that. And from the pages panel, I can actually go ahead and create, when I hit create new page, it actually gives me two options, create new page or create a page template. So let's go ahead and create a page template. Now I want to call this just like static page, because of course we'll have dynamic page for the project, but this can be static page template. I can write a description here. What are these used for? Because if the client might want to create new pages in the future, it might be useful for them. So I'm going to hit create. And now I've got, you can see here that I'm editing a new static page template. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to paste the structure here. Let's go ahead and clean it up because we don't need this very specific hero section. We also don't need the content inside the container. What we do need is we need the page wrapper, we need navigation, we need the main, we need section and container, and we need the footer. This is basically the clean structure for every page. So now we've got the template and the template is done. And you can see that now we've got a new category here, static page templates, and we've got our own page template. And now when I'm going to create new pages, for example, I've got the selected projects page, about we already created, but we've got contact page. I can very easily do it from here. I can just hit plus new page, and this page is going to be projects page. So this is projects or selected projects, whatever you want to call this. I'm just going to call it projects. And I'm going to hit create. And you can see that we've already got the structure, the nav bar, the main. We've got everything here super quick. If I'm going to need to create another page for the contact, I'm just going to hit plus. I'm going to hit contact. And now I can create pages super fast. They're all going to have my structure. They're all going to have my components. And I can start working very efficiently.